Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Got a very exciting new video for you today. It is a freezing cold Monday morning. I just got here. Everybody's in a rush. This is a beautiful truck. It's a black GMC Sierra 2025. It is a Denali 2500. We're doing a couple things on it. We're going to be doing the 4-inch Cognito performance kit that has the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, upper control arms, and steering braces. And then we're going to be also doing the Logic Air airbag spring kit. We're going to be doing the compressor that they sell with it, and then we're also going to be doing the remote for it as well. We're going to be doing painted OEM fender flares, the same color as the truck, black. We're going to be doing the 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires with the 22-inch G21 replica wheels in chrome that you guys love so much. And we're going to be doing the GMC Denali center caps from GM that fit perfectly in those wheels. We're also going to be doing a mud flap delete kit on this. I think we're doing the sharptruck.com ones that are just a little bit cleaner. They're not as much clearance as what the rough countries are, but they fit the truck better. So we kind of like using those more when we can. Stay tuned for the process. I really am excited to get this one started. We're about to pull it in right now. Thanks, guys. So here's our beautiful truck. Nothing wrong with an all black Denali. I love that. I love that the Denali still has the regular chrome up front. I know that the Denali Ultimate is a nicer truck. I'm not arguing the fact. I just like the styling more of the Denali, I think, myself. Oops. I love that this truck has black leather interior versus a fancy brown leather interior or something like that. So I'm just more simple. I guess that's what it is. The truck looks really, really good though. Can't wait to get it started. That Cognito lift kit we're gonna sell has every bell and whistle that you could ever want with it. Plus those tires and wheels are really gonna change the truck. The wheels are gonna match extremely well with the front grille and all the other chrome accents on the truck. Stay tuned for the process, guys. I appreciate you watching. We're about to get started on it right now. Got our Denali Ultimate 2500 ready to go. Couldn't be happier with the way the truck turned out. That 4-inch Cognito performance kit is amazing every time we use it. We did the airbags on it as well, and we did the tires and wheels. This truck looks phenomenal. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. So first thing in the morning, it's freezing cold outside, but the lighting is right, and we got a brand new Denali. I may have just said Denali Ultimate in the last clip. I didn't mean to. This is absolutely a Denali. You can tell by the chrome on the front grill right here. And yes, I think this looks great. I love this big chrome front grille. I love the chrome on the bumper. I love all the accents. It matches the wheels perfectly. This is definitely something I would drive. I do love this truck a lot. Let me know what you guys think about this truck in the comments. I think this one looks really, really nice. Going over it again one more time. Let's start out with the lift kit. We have the 4-inch Cognito performance kit. Now what the performance kit means is they have a standard kit, performance kit, and then they have like an upgraded kit past that. But the performance kit comes with upper control arms that you see right here in the kit. It comes with those Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks right there. And it comes with steering braces. I'm gonna show you those. Right there on the idle arm and pivot arm, you'll see the steering braces. Very, very good upgrade. It's a little bit more money on the kit, but I think it's worth it. You can also just buy the standard kit, which comes with this and Fox 2.0 shocks, and you can add all those other pieces if you want one by one, but it makes more sense to do it all at the same time if you ask me. So we'll move on to the rear. We did the Ready Lift Logic Air bag kit. This is probably the best one in the game. I think it's the sturdiest built, and it fits more applications than anything else, and it does have 2 bags on it, so it's very, very nice. They have an onboard compressor that's under the truck. I'm not gonna get under there to show you that, but it does work very, very well. And you have the option of doing an air tank, which this truck we did not do the tank, but we did do the upgraded remote. That is right there. Super easy to use. The tires and wheels we did, 37, 12, 50, 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is one of the best all-terrain tires in the game. It's actually it's more of a hybrid tire like a Ridge Grappler, but 45,000 mile warranty. You can't beat the tread life of it, the ride, or the look of it. Toyo is an amazing tire. Toyo and Nitto are the same company, so anything you buy from those guys is gonna be amazing. This is the 22-inch G21 replica wheel. We sell a ton of these wheels. They fit the stock application with a 37 like this, just a leveling kit. We're not cutting up the fender flares. I'm sorry, the mud flaps. This truck does have the mud flap deletes that I mentioned earlier from Sharp Truck, but we did not have to do that. That was more of a choice on looks. So very, very sleek and clean. The only trimming we did on this truck is up on the front bumper right here. All we do is round off the bottom corner there, and it looks really stock to me. I don't think it looks bad at all. I think this is a great setup. I'm gonna put a quote for this exact job right after this clip. So if you wanna know what this would cost, stay tuned. If you have any other questions or you want to price another job, feel free to reach out. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. My number is 678-994-9180. And I look forward to your call. Thanks for watching.